Hi everyone, and welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to learn about a new pane called script. I'm also going to show you how to organize the panes and how to clear your environment and history. To open a new script, go to File, New File, and Script. Notice there is also a shortcut on creating a script. The script opens in most cases on a top left pane. Once your script is open, you can use it to type the codes that you will normally type in the console. Consider the history we had just done. To go to a new line, I just hit enter. When I hit enter, nothing happens, it doesn't run. To run, I go and select the line, or just put the cursor on that line and I click run, and it runs on the console. Alternatively, I can select multiple lines and click on run. Notice when I put my cursor on run, it shows me that there is an alternative method which I can use to run, which is control and enter. So now I'm using my keyboard. Once I've selected, I just hit control and enter and it runs. Here we have done an object C which does not have value. When I run it, it gives an error. So now I can come and I edit it and assign it values. So when I hit run, now it works. A script is useful when you are wanting to have a very well organized system of commands that run perfectly. For instance, I can go to the top of the line, I press enter, and then I will comment using the hash sign. Therefore, you can comment your codes and organize them in a nice way in a script and save them and to share with persons. To save it, you can just say save, or you can go to File, Save As, and then you select the specific folder where you want to save it. And give it an appropriate name and save. Now the name has changed to trial01.r and I can use it over and over again. If I close it, I can come back. I can either go to recent files or I can go to open file, find the folder where it is in, and I open, and I still have my script. Now, sometimes the scripts become too many and I want to focus, so I tend to minimize console, or rather the bottom left pane. When I run, the console will always open up again. For this reason, I found out a nice way of organizing the panes, so I use them when I really need them. To do so, you can go to the icon at the top that shows the panes, click on it, and you select pane layout. Inside the pane layout, you can see that the panes are organized in accordance with the way they appear right now. I will prefer having my console to the upper right. So I will go to the upper right, select console, and immediately they will swap with the environment. Once I've done that, I'll just click on enter, and you will see that now my console is in my top right. Since I'm not using the plots and all, I can minimize it. Since I'm not using the environment, I can minimize it, and I can continue running without any hindrances. It usually makes it easier for me. Remember, you can clear the console using Ctrl and L. You can also go to the environment and you see how many things are there, and the history. I would like the history to be clean and the environment to be clean, especially given that many a times R stores the objects inside and makes it slower. The more objects you store in R, it tends to become a little bit slower. So to clean them, you just click on that brush, and I go to history again and I click. So this forgets everything that you have done. So if I click on A, which we had just created, now it does not exist because it has not been defined in the environment and is also not in the history. However, thankfully we have it in the script, so I can run in script, and again I have it with me. Thank you for your time. I hope that you have learned something new that will help you to be more efficient when you're working with R.